Many times we are asked to insert a certain given number of arithmetic means between the two given numbers, that is a and b. So let us see how to do that. Suppose we are to insert n arithmetic means between a and b. Now we will develop a condition for that with the help of examples. Let's consider the simplest case, that is we have two numbers a and b and we have to insert just one mean that we denote as say a1, alright, which is, as we know, nothing but the arithmetic mean whose formula we have seen already, but nonetheless let us develop the formula. Now here since this is the arithmetic mean, we know that the difference between small a and a1 should be same as the difference between a1 and b. So it means the whole difference which lies from end to end, that has to be divided into two parts because there is one mean, right? So therefore here we have the total difference as nothing but b minus a, isn't it? So this has to be broken into two parts. The first part is d and second part is also d. So therefore here d should be nothing but the end to end difference b minus a whole divided by 2. Alright, so this is the case whenever we have to insert just a single mean between two given numbers. Now let us see what do we get when we have to insert two means, that is two arithmetic means. Let's denote them as say a1 and a2. Now we can see that when there are two means, they will divide the entire interval into three parts and each part has the difference denoted by d. So here once again the end-to-end difference is nothing but b minus a, which has to be divided into three parts. So therefore each part must be equal to b minus a whole upon 3. b minus a whole upon 3. Right. So here we can see that if there are two means, then we have to divide by 3. When there was a single mean 1, we had divided by 2. So therefore it is clear that suppose we want to insert n means, that is denoted by a1, a2 and so on up to an, we get the formula for common difference as b minus a has to be divided by n plus 1. Right? So that is a formula to first calculate the common difference. And once we know the common difference, what we have to do is we have to simply add that to the first given number a. Okay, so once we add d to a, we get the first mean a1. Now to that you add d once again, so that you will get a2 and so on till you get the final required arithmetic mean. Right. Now let's go ahead and see one important property related with this, that says sum of n arithmetic means between two numbers a and b equals n times the single arithmetic mean between the numbers a and b. So you see, if we have inserted n arithmetic means and if we take the sum of them, that is same as n times if we take a single mean between a and b. Right. Now let us solve one question based on this to practice. Insert 3 AMs between 2 and 10. Right. So we have first to calculate the requisite common difference, and as we have seen, it is given by the formula b minus a whole upon n plus 1. Okay. So that gives us b and a are respectively the last and first number between which we are to insert the means, so that is 10 minus 2 whole upon n is the number of means to be inserted, so n is 3 as we have to insert 3 means plus 1. So that is nothing but 10 minus 2 is 8 whole upon 3 plus 1 is 4. So therefore we get d as nothing but 2. Now you see, here we have the two given numbers 2 and 10 and we have got the common difference as 2. So you just add 2 to this, so you will get 2 plus 2 as 4. You add 2 once again, you will get 6, and finally you add 2 once again, you get 8. And you can confirm that when you add 2 to this 8, you will get the last number 10. So the link is completed and the required 3 means are nothing but 2, 6 and 8. So just to recap, to insert given number of arithmetic means between the two numbers is nothing but the resulting sequence that forms should be an arithmetic progression. That is the meaning of inserting arithmetic means.